Hello internet, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're gonna explore a fully free learning system for beginner level programmer. So let's dive into it. So here we're starting with the source code of this system. So yes, I developed this program, so I can be a little bit biased about the system, but I leave it to you guys. Take a look of the system by yourself and then come up with the final thought. Okay, the platform name is thingslikeeengineers.com, and I designed that whole platform specially for children or young people who want to start learning their programming journey. So the whole platform I try to make it a little bit fun and easy to go. Also, you can notice whole theme in a dark mode in here, inspired by GitHub again. Anyway, so let's start the learning in here. You can explore the landing page in here, then you can start learning. When you start learning, you can notice there is a no login page in here. That means I'm not collecting anyone data. So this is your dashboard. You can take a look. I think right now is a correct time to explore how the system works. This is a learning platform by through video game. So you can play games, very basic levels of games, and try to learn about the fundamental. So let's see what is the course available right now. Web development and Python course currently available. It's very basic things for beginner friendly people, especially for kids, like I mentioned before. Okay, let's start with the web development first. Start learning. You will land in the game adventure or your learning session start page. So you can do the full screen, so you can fully focus on this dashboard only. Okay, the way it's work, let's start with this CSS color mixer, the first one. The way it's work is you will read this, what you will learn, learning objective, and pro tips. After you reading this, you will have some basic idea how the color coordinated work and everything. After that, you have to come down and you'll see this target color and your color. Basically, that is your challenge you have to complete to pass this stage. So in here, R represent red, G represent green, B represent blue. In here, you're gonna be learn that. So how you gonna be mix around all those color slider and come as close as possible to your target. Based on that, you'll get the points. Let's take a look. So 178, we see how close we can go. Let's put it exactly same. 142, let's go 142. Then in here, only 34. Let's go to 34. Let's go to 34. Okay, it's exactly same. So we'll get the full mark. Check the match. We'll get 100 points. As much points you get, it will be add up in your score in here. Okay, let's try a new target this time, and let's see how close we can go this thing. This time we're not going to be go exactly same little bit, and we take a look how that things responds, huh? So like these 155, so it is same but not exactly same. See how much point we get 75, because we are 96% accurate. So you kind of get the idea. That's how you actually play around with the color coordination and learn how colors work in CSS world. Even for any graphics designer also, this is very important. So as much point you get, it will be added on in here. So next stage, HTML house builder means HTML is a very structure focused language. So I believe it's go very well with the structure of a house building. That's why I put it in here like this. Again, you will learn in here the basic. Then you're gonna be start your practicing. Give an example. You're gonna be just let's say we start roof in the house. You go to the roof. Then we start with the wall, then we go with the door, then we go in the window, then this, and try to check it. Okay, we got 150 point because we all right in here. So you're gonna be learn the basic in here, how that things work, then you go for so on. Fix the broken page. This is little bit as you go past the stage, you will go to little bit of advance in each time. That's how it makes sense also when you're learning something. So you're gonna be see what is the actual code writing look like, and try to fix and play around with this in here. After this first three stage, actually without unlocking also you can able to play, but once you reach the limit of third stage, without unlock this you cannot go the fourth. So once you unlock in here, then you can able to go to fourth, then you go to fifth, sixth, after that so on. Basically in here I think, I believe, have 10 game. So you are in 3 level right now, you have to pass all of those things, then you can finish that things. After you finishing these things, I believe you will have a very basic standard basement level of idea how HTML and CSS functionally work. Okay, let's go back to dashboard again and explore the Python now. So the Python also the same fundamental. You're gonna be read the basic first in here, then start practicing. So the Python will be a little bit more challenging compared to web development, because Python is a little bit more advanced. So in here, when you start, you have to start writing code and testing that. In here also the same fundamental, but only one stage is unlocked. After you finish that, then you can go to the second, third, and so on. Right now I have a 5 stage in here. You can practice as much as you want to get your fundamentals strong. Let's go back to dashboard again, and I want you to go to exam preparation place right now. After you finish in HTML and CSS, before you go to the Python, I will highly recommend you come in here and take this quiz. Basically in here, nicely designed 20 question based on HTML and CSS knowledge. You can do experiment in here and try to see how much you learn and what how much you know about that things. Give an example. If your answer is right, it will give explanation how that things work. And if you are wrong, you can actually this one also right. Let's give it a random one. Okay, this one is wrong, it will give you are wrong. So that's how you can test your skills also and learn from here. So currently that much available in the whole platform. You can explore the other pages and also how things work. I do have some plans to make that more improve and all, which will become in the future. The new project being this is on working. There's a few more things, general knowledge. I have some plan working on that, so will become very soon. Even under the Python, also a few more stage will become very soon. Also, I'm still working on the JavaScript courses which will be available soon as well. But one thing, this platform always will be completely free and I'm not collecting any data. So yeah, I always try to make some meaningful things and share with you guys. Please take a look and let me know how you guys like the platform. If you guys have any suggestion to improve the platform, let me know. Maybe I will work on that. Comment down in the video. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up on this. And if you want to support me, sub on the channel, and I will try to make it more content like this and share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching.